इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस देखिबारे कौन जाउची व्हाट गोज टू सी व्हाट गोज टू सी जेमती मु कहूची सेमती करो डू एज आई से डू एज आई से आउ किए आसुची Who else is coming? Who else is coming? मु भल गीत गाए बा मो गीत गाइबारे भल I am good at singing. I am good at singing. एथिरु दूरे रुह Stay out of this. Stay out of this. तुम्हारा कौन हुए What happens to you? What happens to you? मोर कौन करिबा उचित What should I do? What should I do? आउ काहा को पचारो Ask someone else. Ask someone else. मु भेटिबाकु चाहिबी I would like to meet. I would like to meet. मु जानिबाकु चाहे I want to know. I want to know. मोर जीवा आवश्यक I need to go. I need to go. प्रथमे मोते कहबाकु दियो Let me speak first. Let me speak first. यह तुमर पसंद It's your choice. It's your choice. यह तुमर काम This is your job. This is your job. चलिबा जारी रखो Keep moving. Keep moving. किसी खाइबा को इच्छा हेउची I feel like having something. I feel like having something. यह कहबा सहज It's easy to say. It's easy to say. एबे तुरंत यह करो Do it right away. Do it right away. यह को कराओ Get it done. Get it done. सेठाकु जिबा बेकार It's useless to go there. It's useless to go there. यहकु भांगो नहीं Don't break it. Don't break it. मु यहकु एबे आनिबी I'll bring it now. I will bring it now. केबे यहकु आउ करनी Never do it again. Never do it again. पेट पूरा करी खाओ Eat your fill. Eat your fill. धूली झाड़ी दियो Wipe off the dust. Wipe off the dust. चलो मिसिकी करिबा Let's do it together. Let's do it together. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ରହିଯାଅ। Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. ଲେଖିନିଅ। Write it down. Write it down. କେହି ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେବେ ନାହିଁ। Nobody will notice. Nobody will notice. ବାହାରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହୁଅନି। Don't stand outside. Don't stand outside. ମୁଁ ସଫା ସଫା କୁହେ। I am outspoken. I am outspoken. ତୁମେ କିଛି କରିବନି। You will do nothing. You will do nothing. ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ ପଚାରିବି? Whom will I ask? Whom will I ask? କାହାକୁ ବି ପଚାରିନିଅ। Ask anyone. Ask anyone. ଏଠି କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି। There is no one here. There is no one here. କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଅନି। Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. କାହା ପାଖରେ ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି? Who has money? Who has money? ସମସ୍ତେ ସେଠି ଥିଲେ। Everyone was there. Everyone was there. ସେ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସୁଛି। He is coming to me. He is coming to me. ଏହା ତ ସବୁଦିନିଆ କଥା। It's the matter of every day. It's the matter of every day. ଏହା ଆଉ କିଏ? This is someone else. This is someone else. ଏହା ଆଉ କିଛି। This is something else. This is something else. ଆପଣ କେବେ ଉଠନ୍ତି? When do you get up? When do you get up? ମୁଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ରହିବି। I'll be ready. I'll be ready. ମୁଁ ଘରେ ରହିବି। I'll stay at home. I will stay at home. କିଛି ତ ଗଡ଼ବଡ଼ ଅଛି। Something is wrong. Something is wrong. ସେ କିଛି କହୁଥିଲା। He was saying something. He was saying something. ମୁଁ ସେଠି ଏକା ଥିଲି। I was there alone. I was there alone. That's it. ये थला किसी daily use English Odia sentences. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe this channel.